How's it going, y'all? My name is Aiden Anderson, and this is the Moscow Minutes. I'll be bringing you the latest from the Latah County Commissioner meetings from the week of February 5th, 2023. Highlights from the week include liquor licenses, property tax exemptions, some more time-sensitive action items, and a discussion with the county judges and District 2 Treatment Court Coordinator. Let's get into it. Tuesday morning was packed with monthly meetings with the heads of county departments. This week, the commissioners met with the heads of ITS, Extension, Planning and Building, Fairgrounds, Disaster Services, Grants, Probation, Facilities, and the Solid Waste departments. Each department head gave an update on recent department activities, as well as any upcoming items that the county may need to address. These meetings were followed by a request to amend the previously posted agenda to allow for the addressing of time-sensitive items that were not known about beforehand. With that amendment made, the commissioners went into some action items. They started by approving the Capital Criminal Defense Provider Agreement that has been floating around the county for the past few weeks and has since been finalized. The agreement will now need to be signed also by the Kootenai County Commissioners, with whom Latah County is working on this particular case. This was followed by the approval of 5 liquor licenses, 2 of which were new applications for Latah County businesses, as well as the approval of an alcoholic catering permit by one of those same businesses. The commissioners then approved Chris Strong as Senior Deputy Assessor to Latah County Assessor David Sutherland to assist in his duties. This was followed by the approval of a taxpayer adjustment for cancellation, as well as a series of property tax exemptions, 13 which were approved and 1 which was continued for a future date. The commissioners then approved the appointment of Lori Wall to the Preservation Commission and Mari Knott to the chair of the Fair Board before filing the minutes and approving the recommendations from the Compensation Committee meeting on February 1st. For the last 3 action items of the day, the commissioners approved a professional services contract as court-appointed counsel for indigent persons, a signature on a letter of support for Idaho Broadband Advisory Board funded projects, and the polling locations for the school district levy elections on March 14th. They then paid some bills and reviewed the past week's activity while not holding an official weekly review at this time. The commissioners then entered into a conversation with the Latah County judges and the District 2 Treatment Court Coordinator in order to consider a new location for court collections to take place, as the court can no longer use the space it had been using. A number of options were considered, and while no official decision was made at the meeting, the county is interested in using the Latah County Annex located in Moscow for this purpose. The commissioners would then go on to hold an executive session for attorney-client communication and pending likely litigation, the quarterly jail inspection, a discussion with the Preservation Commission, another executive session for an indigent meeting, and make a decision on appointed boards and activities to wrap up the day's work. And that is the latest from the Latah County Commissioners. As always, we'll have the relevant links posted with this video, and if you have any questions, let us know. This is Aiden Anderson with the Moscow Minutes. See you next time.